Hey, so this is going to be a review of Kylie's Candy K liquid lip, and I just recently got this during the Black Friday sale from the Kylie website. So I'll just go ahead and put it on and then let you know how it is. I've used it a few times, and this is actually, I ordered probably like 10 of them, different lip glosses, and this is probably my favorite one so far. So this is how it looks when it's on. It's not dry yet, but it's kind of like a pink, I don't want to say nude, but like a, maybe like a pale pink. I do feel like just one coat of this is enough, and it kind of classes you up a little bit if you're wearing, like, I usually wear casual clothes, like I wore this shirt to work. If you're wearing something kind of more casual, you put this on, it's very subtle, but it also makes you look a little more dressy, which is how I feel about pretty much all the Kylie lipsticks. They do a good job. Sorry, my boyfriend's vlogging. They do a good job of just kind of like stepping your whole outfit or your whole look up a little bit. So it's pretty much all dry now, and as you can see, it kind of has a little bit of a shine, but it's definitely a matte look. It doesn't bother me when I talk. I put a little chapstick on first, but it feels very like subtle. It's not really there, you know, it's just it doesn't bother me. But I do notice that these, when you drink, like when I wear to work and I drink coffee or I go to my lunch break, that it does kind of go away a little bit. It's not completely transfer proof, but I mean, it's pretty good for what it is. You know, it sticks on the outside more than anything, and really it's only like right here at the very inside where it's going to be fading off a little bit when you're drinking and eating. So this is my favorite color out of the ones I bought, and I'll be making some videos on the other ones. But if you're looking for a matte color and you have kind of like a light skin shade with some yellowy undertones, then I would really suggest it, because it's like a really pretty kind of like nudish pink, like a dark pink, and from what I've seen on other reviews, it looks good on pretty much every skin tone. Like dark, light, blue undertones, yellow undertones, or whatever it is you have, it's gonna look good on you. So I wouldn't recommend buying the whole kit. I really don't think you need to buy a whole kit. I have a few of them. I almost never really use the lip liners. Just buy the lipstick. It's totally fine. You can always kind of shape it out with concealer if you needed to. But like, I mean, I did it in like 30 seconds and it really didn't come out too bad, so I wouldn't spend the extra money personally, but definitely look for those sales, because that's where I picked up a lot of these. I think I paid $9 for this. Alright, so thank you so much. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be making some other videos on Kylie as well. Thank you.